You want to learn English? The best way to learn English is to listen to it often and practice speaking it as often as possible. This video will help you improve your English speaking skills and your English listening skills. If you do not understand what the other person is saying, then you will not know how to respond. Just listen. Enjoy.
What have you got to lose by reading one more self-improvement article? There are a variety of self-improvement articles available nowadays. You may be thinking that this is one of those, obviously. What have you got to lose by reading one more self-improvement article? When you came the 40-year stage in your life, you will suddenly realize many things. You get to ask yourself questions. How will it be when I get to the end of my life? How do I feel about the life I lived? Then someone gave you some self-improvement articles while telling you that it is not yet too late. Does that mean anything to you? You bet it does. The feeling of anxiety that will come next is just normal. Then you will feel confused because life had felt so good. You were happy, had a successful marriage, 2 wonderful kids, and a job you reasonably enjoyed. What was my problem? It was your glass ceiling. The practical and fear-based side that had convinced you all along that your passion and dreams had died. Here are top 10 shifts in perspective that can help you move your life to the next level. This self-improvement article will assist you in breaking through your own glass ceiling to create the life you really want. 1. Give yourself permission to dream. You probably had no problem dreaming as a kid. What happened to your ability to imagine and dream about what you want and who you want to be? When was the last time you caught yourself daydreaming and appreciated it? 2. Stop looking outside yourself for happiness. Look inside. Increase your self-awareness. Get curious about who you are at the core. Cultivate and nurture a relationship with yourself. 3. Cover the basics. Take the time to address your personal needs. How can you focus on thriving in your life if you are in survival mode? Set up that meeting with a financial advisor. Get your space organized. Clean up the details that are wasting your energy. 4. Embrace your past and move on. Shift from why it happened to what I want to do about it now. Asking why is not a very empowering question. Asking what or how I want to proceed can be much more powerful and produce forward movement. 5. Remember that you are not alone. It is easy to feel overwhelmed with life. Seek support. Read more self-improvement articles. They might help you figure out some things that are puzzling you. 6. Remember gratitude. Count your blessings. What is working right in your life? Make a list. Set aside a bit of time every day to acknowledge what or who you are grateful for. The more you practice gratitude, the more you attract into your life things to be grateful for. 7. Court your passion. You still have your passions, though it has been a while since you may have felt it flow. When are you the most alive and joyful in your life? Who do you most admire and what do they inspire in you? 10. Have fun. Call a friend, take a bubble bath, take yourself to an art museum or schedule a whole day out in nature. Put on some great music and dance till you drop. And you thought this was just one of those self-improvement articles.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Learn with Cartoon channel. Publish a video to your friends.